To start the procedure, begin your patient blood draw. Add 5 milliliters of citrate anticoagulant to the 30 milliliters of whole blood from the patient. And inject anticoagulated whole blood into the concentrating device. Weigh the syringe and counterbalance with the provided counterbalance device, then load the devices into the centrifuge at opposite ends. Set the centrifuge at 1 minute and 4,200 RPMs. Close the lid and press start. When completed, the platelets will remain suspended in the plasma. This is called the platelet plasma suspension. Aspirate only the platelet plasma suspension into the 30 milliliter syringe. It is normal to get small amounts of red blood cells during aspiration. Transfer the platelet plasma suspension into the concentrating accessory. Weigh the syringe and counterbalance with the provided counterbalance accessory device, and place back into the centrifuge buckets at opposite ends. Set the centrifuge at 5 minutes and 4,200 RPMs. Close the lid and press start. When completed, the platelets will be concentrated in a buffy coat layer at the bottom of the concentrate at the bottom of the concentrating device. Aspirate the platelet poor plasma, leaving approximately 4 milliliters in the device. Attach the 10 milliliter syringe and swirl the device to resuspend the platelets into the plasma. Tilt the device to immerse the aspirating pipe into the PureSpin PRP. Then aspirate the PureSpin PRP in the 10 milliliter syringe.